Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here today with a new beat, and we're testing out our pinks. All right. Okay, so we went in with our eyebrows in the shade dark brown and the pencil Ruby Kiss. Now we're going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to outline our eyebrows. Okay, right here I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. We're going to blend that out, and then I went over with my Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. I just want to have a thick enough layer on my eyelid so that my eyebrows so that my makeup doesn't crease. You want to have a good base. Normally I'd say set your eyelids, but I'm not setting my eyelids. Like I said, my skin's dry. We got to work on hydration. Now it's important that you blend that concealer all the way up to your eyebrow. Because when you go to lay your eyeshadow colors and that makeup dries up, you can see where you didn't properly blend it out. So make sure you blend it all the way up as high as you can, okay? Okay, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to prime my face. Don't think you can about me, but you don't care about nobody. Pink and pretty, pink and pretty. She's gonna be so pretty when we get done. I really enjoyed doing this look. Let me know what you ladies think. Charlie Mar Beauty. Believe it or not, I use the Morphe by James Charles mini eyeshadow palette to get this look done. Alright. I'm cutting my crease with the e.l.f. Concealer 16 Hour Wear. I really need to get a new concealer or start using P. Louise or Tarte to cut my eyeshadow lids because my eyelids crease every time. Let me know if you ladies have that same issue.
Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me.
You gonna pass that or you smoking by yourself? These two? You want this one first, then this one. And with these two. This one, then this one. Okay, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Wear Foundation in the shade 520. It looks a little bit orange, but it oxidizes and it turns out beautiful. Now, if you want a slayed face, you can go in with more than one layer. I just did one layer because I'm not trying to wear too much makeup. I'm going to be out and about and back home. I swear this is my favorite part of makeup. Putting on the contour, getting definition back in your face. I'm going on with the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Ebony. Okay, and this shade's a little bit deeper than what I need it to be. I'm going to try a lighter shade, but I just believe in using what I've purchased. I probably should have took it back and swapped it out, but we're going to go ahead and use this until the wheels fall off. Your arm should feel like it's ready to fall off. That's how you can tell if you properly blending or not. Because my arm's always tired by the time I get done blending out everything. Okay, I'm going in with the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Okay, so I promise you, if you let the concealer sit under your eye, you're going to have a better blend. Let it sit for a couple minutes before you blend it out. I used to complain about my under eyes creasing. It will not crease if you have a quality concealer and you let it sit just a little bit before you pat it out. And it doesn't matter if you use a beauty blender or a brush. Both of them get the job done. I do believe that the brush leaves more product on your face. But yeah, let me know what you ladies think. I'm going in with the Morphe Banana Rich setting powder to set all the areas where I highlighted and well, not contoured, but used concealer, basically in my T-zone. And I believe I set the rest of my face as well with the Morphe Banana Rich setting powder. Okay, now I told you guys that I got dry skin, and I don't really mess with my under eye outside of doing the concealer and setting it because I just feel like it looks like that cartoon character off of The Emperor's New Groove. But I went ahead and I went under my eye with that purplish pink color just to try to do a little bit of advanced makeup. Like I said, I don't do it too often because you don't want to do a complete beat and then you got that one thing that's just irritating or messes up the whole look. Anyway, she cute. She cute. Okay, so in the areas that I contoured, I did not go in with the Morphe Banana Rich setting powder. I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Deep Ponce bronzer. And that's basically going to set the areas that I contoured. Okay, so now I'm dusting away all that powder, and I'm going to go in with the NW45 MAC Studio Fix Foundation in the shade NW45 to smooth out any fine lines and to make sure everything's transitioning from one color to the next. Okay, I'm using that same Charlotte Tilbury deep bronzer to contour my nose. Please outline your lips before you put on any kind of lipstick or lip gloss. This is the same Ruby Kiss dark brown lip pencil. Alright, so it's Charlie My Beauty. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the beat. I ain't going nowhere. Definitely want to get a video out there since we're working on consistency and all of it for 2023. Anyways, it's Charlie My Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.